Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Universe Samm. In this video I'm going to explore 5 amazing and useful websites. So let's get started. So the first website we'll talk about is Witeboard. Witeboard.com, and this is what you get when you type in Witeboard. Please check the description for the URLs. It's quite simple and easygoing. It's not overloaded with a lot of options. So you can simply go here, change it to Blackboard if you want. I'll bring it back to the white one. There is this shape detection. You can turn it off or on, depends what do you want. There is this pencil here and the color. I can pick up any color from here, say this one, and I want to draw a face. Okay, things like that. And then there is this line here. You can draw lines with this and with different colors. And then there is this text box. There's this eraser that you can erase anything, bring it back, and this is it. So once you're done with your stuff, you can save it as an image. And see, I got this as a PNG file. And also you can share it. So once you share it, the board link has been copied to the clipboard that you can share with your friends through email, through WhatsApp, through Google Classroom, anything that you want. I'll show you from here on a new tab. Okay, so this is how it works. Next website is Pictory.ai. This website actually automatically creates a video for you. You just need to give some contents, the text contents or an article or anything, and it creates a video for you. Okay, now you can go to free trial and just sign up here. So there are 4 options here. You can create a video out of a script. You can create a video out of an article. You can create, or you can edit your videos using text here and the visuals to video. I will show you one of them only, and the rest works the same way. So, okay, I'll just show you article to video. You can actually get any article URL from the internet. Okay, I have this article here and in my Blogger, and I pasted this link here. Proceed. Okay, so within few seconds, it's ready with its contents, and it's showing me the preview here. I can still change anything if I want. This is going to be the scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, just click on next. You need to pick up a template here. I'll pick up this one. I want this one for my video. Got it. And then it shows me this preview. Okay. If you're still not satisfied, you can still go back and change anything that you want. I am okay with this one. So I'll click on generate video. This may take a little bit of time. Okay, so it's done now. You can download this file, and I'll show you how does it look like. So this is it from this website, and you have seen that artificial intelligence creates a complete video for you automatically. Now the third website is Flourish.studio. Okay, so this site is for the data visualization and storytelling. And you can give your data, and it has all kinds of graphs and charts. Just get started for free. Sign up with your Google account better. It's easier. Okay, so once you are done signing in, you can skip this part and go to new visualization, and here pick up any graph that you want. Maybe I'll just pick up this one, column chart. Okay, and now I will put my data here. I'll copy paste it from my worksheet. Okay, that's my data. I have student names and their subjects and their average. And I come back to my preview, and there you go. I have the student names, math, English, science, and it's missing average marks here. So I'll come back to my data, and I'll take the values from B to F instead of E. Okay, I go back to my preview and see I have my average also now. And once I'm done with this one, I can export and publish it. You can download this image. You can download it as HTML. Let me try this one. And you can add it directly to your Canva also. Okay, I'll show you from here first. And also you can simply click on this presentation. You want to add it to your Canva. I'll use a new design. I want to create a thumbnail, maybe just say thumbnail, and connect. There you go. Okay, and when I click on this one, it comes here on my thumbnail, and then you can resize it. Now, the fourth site that we will talk about is SuperMeme. SuperMeme.ai. It actually creates memes by itself. You just need to give a topic and it creates a meme for you. And it's so easy to use. And let's say start for free. I'll sign up with Google, pick up my account, and there you go. Here you have options: text to meme, themed meme, search. I'll say text to meme. I just need to give a topic here and it will generate a meme for me. You can type in anything. I will type when you have to be punctual for your work, and then say generate. And you see, you've been given so many of these memes. All right, and you say when you're trying to be punctual, but you're still in bed, when you are too lazy to get out of bed and be punctual. So just pick up anything that you want, and you want to edit this one maybe. If I'm okay with this, I'll download it, and my meme is ready to be posted. Fifth site is AnswerSocrates.com. This website is especially useful for those who are writing a thesis or a dissertation or an assignment. So this gives you, just type any topic and it will give you a lot of questions regarding the same thing, and then you can work on it. So suppose I will say I'm writing an article about World War II and search. Okay, so there are lots and lots of questions I found. What are World War II airplanes? How it started and when it ended, and all these questions. And you keep on going and you will find lots and lots of questions that will help you in making up your article or your dissertation or project. So this is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, please write down in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.